Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and today we are going to solve two problems on number series. In number series problem, we are given a series with a question mark number and we need to find that particular number recognizing the pattern in this series. So let's start with the first problem. 0, 5, 18, 43, 84, 145 and question mark. We need to find the last number in this series. As we can see, if we add 5 with 0 we get 5. If we add 13 then we get 18. If we add 25 then we get 43. If we add 41 then we get 84, and lastly if we add 61 then we get 145. Okay, now in the next series, it is 5, 13, 25, 41 and 61. If we add 8 with 5 we get 13. If we add 12 with 13 we get 25. If we add 16 with 25 we get 41. If we add 20 with 41 we get 61. Okay, now lastly, as we can see, the series reduces to 8, 12, 16 and 20. Now lastly, if we add 4 with 8 we get 12. If we add 4 with 12 we get 16, and if we add 4 with 16 we get 20. Therefore here the next number must be 24. Okay, therefore in this above series we get 85, we get 85, and in the above series, that is in the main series, if we add 85 with 145 we get 230 as answer. Okay, so the correct answer will be the option 5. Now let's check the next series. The next series is 10, 17, 48, 165, 688, 3475, and we need to find the last number of this series. As we can see, if we multiply 1 with 10 and add 7 we get 17. If we multiply 2 with 17 then add 14 we get 48. If we multiply 3 then add 21 we get 165. So we already recognize the pattern in this number series. Therefore the next portion must be multiplication by 4 and adding by 28. Here we have numbers, real numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and here we have the multiple of 7. Okay, therefore it results in 688. Now 688 multiplied by 5, and here we have 35, which results in 3475, and lastly with 3475 if we multiply 6 and then add 42, we get nothing but 20,892. So our required answer is 20892, that is the option 4. Okay, so we have solved the two questions from number series. To know more about number series and quantitative aptitude, you can join our classes, or just drop a message in these two numbers. These are the WhatsApp numbers of ours: 9876793076 or 9874822756. Okay, or you just can check our website, which is www.sorosesclasses.com. Thank you very much.